Hello BIM learners, welcome to bimmodeler.com. So this is a series of video tutorial about small tools options available within Revit. We are continuously recording. This is on 29th day actually. It is a 27th day but on date, but we started recording 2 days before, so it's 29th day. Today we're going to discuss about tagging, which is available options in Revit, where this option has been improved year by year. From 2023, there is an option of multi tag category options available. You know that tag options you can take and you can click on any object. It will show you the property related to that tags. So the value can be used for annotation purpose. So where you can click that, it will show you the property of that element. So in this case, the type value of the wall it's showing. So for in this case, for this wall, it's showing Z09, and you can see that when you are creating a tag options, you can see the options. Some of the options are already existing options. Leader line you want to show or not. So you can turn off, it will not show. So this was there in the from the beginning, and this option also there from the beginning, attach end and free end, it is there from the beginning. So the leader length is something that we can assign it, where the leader length will be changing. But after that, you can press a space bar where it changes horizontally and vertically while placing the tag element. So like you can go ahead and press space bar and you can rotate it, but this has been changed as horizontal or vertical. So in this way, like this, whatever the direction that you want, even you can apply dimension to that, or you can go ahead with the model direction. If it is in a different angle, you can go with the model direction as well. So the angle can be specified here. These are the new features available, and you can check the tags available or loaded with the family, and for particularly for the wall we are tagging. So you can go ahead and select the wall element from here, and what tags that you wanted to make change it, so you can do it. The new feature here is that you will be able to have multiple options where you can add a host. So you can select the tag like this, and you will be able to have the add host option, where if you select the other wall, it will show you the different it will give you the various option where multiple wall can be selected, and it shows you the multi-category tags. It will show you whether you want to show it, you can move it like this wherever you need it, you can move it and automatically it shows it. So the merge tag will give you the option where the control point will be there in one place. Instead of having it in multiple places, it will have it only one place. The control point moves wherever you need it. You can unmerge that as well. And you have other options like show all the tags, or you can hide all, and you can show all, or you can select only one, or you can choose your own based on these settings. You will be able to choose what tag leaders need to be shown or not to be shown. What happens when you select the other type of wall? It becomes various. You know that we are selecting two different values or two different type of wall. The value becomes various. Now I'm escaping it, and I can see that the value is various, and I can remove it. I can go ahead and remove it. I can untick this, and value becomes the default value becomes our required things. So once the existing tags, we can select it, and you will be able to see the different options from the before options whatever we had earlier. The select host option was there, pick new host was there, and reconcile host. If the host is missing, you can reconcile the host. These three options were there from the beginning, and these options as we discussed earlier. So these options are new, and adding and removing options are new for us for adding the multiple tags options available here. So these are the new options. It was there from the multi line text options. You had it multiple tagging leader can be assigned. But from 2023, the recent version till 2026, there are many features added to this category option. This was a very long due that people are asking about these tagging options, and it came to Revit, and I hope you have used it. So if this tool was helpful to you, it was your expected one, do share it with your learning friends, and like and hype the video for others to learn it. So like this similar tools I'm explaining in Revit daily one by one. I'm also planning a continuous tutorial on Revit and Naviswork full tutorial course side by side. So do stay tuned with bimmodeler.com, and if any BIM modeling services projects, do refer bimmodeler.com, and there are free families as well. Thank you so much. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.